What's the future of how businesses will interact, engage, or work with their data?
We used the example earlier from safety and security in manufacturing. Imagine being able to go into an industrial system, be able to go into a manufacturing plant, be able to talk in natural language to the machine. Ask, hey, what's wrong with you today? What are the issues that you see happening? And being able to have these kind of predictive systems in there that can say, yeah, you know what, this part of the machine, we're not working so well. And then being able to go and ask, hey, okay, well, how do I fix you? Right. And be able to use all of that data that might be, in troubleshooting manuals. It could be from people who have done it before, from trouble ticketing systems, whatever the case is, but being able to actually have a natural language conversation with a machine to understand how it's doing. That is kind of one of the things where I see people interacting with the data a little bit differently. And it's not necessarily interacting with the data, but it's having a system to interact with the data, right? Being able to use something like Adam to go in and ask questions and basically talk in real terms, real language about what's going on. Instead of going into a command line and saying, config T this and going through all the different, command interfaces,